Hey guys, welcome to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have about a 13-14 minute body weight only workout. Just follow along with me, guys. We have 4 different exercises, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, 1 minute breaks between the sets. That's all there is to it. We get started in about 10 seconds. We're gonna start off with straight arm, Frankenstein position, kneel down, both legs, come back up, 40 seconds on, and we get started in 3, 2, 1. Follow along with me, guys. Down, down, up, and up. And on the other side, down, down, up, and up. Nice and easy. Repeat it for 40 seconds. Up and up. Down, down, up, up. Halfway done. Let's go. Keep on going. Up, up. Keep it up. 15 seconds left. Switch it up and let's go. Down, down, up, up. Let's do one more. Down, down, up, up. 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Let's just call it right here. Next exercise. Push-up position. Go ahead and extend your arm in front of you. Come, bring it back. Do a push-up. Follow along with me, guys. Here we go. 10 seconds. Get in your push-up positions in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push-up position. Extend the arm out. Bring it back, nice and easy. Give me a push-up. Extend the other arm out. Can't speak. Push up and back. Out. Control it. Everything under control. Push up. Arm out. Hold it. And give me a push-up. Looking good. Less than 20 seconds left. Push up. Out. Back. Push up. Out, back, and push up. And 3, 2, 1. Let's stand up. And now we have a backward lunge. Gonna lunge back, bring that leg back up, and kick it forward. Try not to fall over. I might fall over. I'm gonna try not to. All right, we get going in about 5 seconds. You guys ready to roll? 3, 2, 1. Nice and easy. Lunge back, under control, and kick that back leg out. And give me the other one. Lunge back and kick it up. Nice and easy. No reason to rush. Switch legs, down, kick it up. Halfway done, and kick it up. Down, kick it up. Keep moving, guys. Down, kick it up. And kick. How you guys doing? Come on. 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we are. All right, 1 exercise left in the first set, and then we have a 60-second reprieve, and we go through this thing 3 times. So it'll be a third of the way done. All right, get into this position. All 4s, knees up. All right, that's what I want you to hold it the entire time. All 4s, knees up. Bring one knee towards you. Elbow and back, and just hold it right here and back on your tippy toes. Back, back. Stay right here. Keep everything nice and tight. Stay right here. Nice and easy. 15 seconds left. Boom, boom. Keep it right here. Nice tight core, keep it up. 5, 3, 2, 1. All right, we got a 1 minute break, guys. So stay right here with me, don't go anywhere. This is time to grab your water. If you need the water, towel off if you need a towel off. Boy, I can't speak today, but you know what? One take, filming all my videos are one take. Hope you guys enjoy working out with me. So the reason why I'm moving a little bit gingerly today, end of the year, December 31st, I got this thing where I do this run, do my 1 mile run every year for over 20 years now. I didn't want to miss out on it this year, even though I'm a little bit overweight and haven't been running much at all. I decided to do it anyway. I made it, but during that process, pulled up my hamstring pretty bad. So today I'm moving a little more gingerly than usual. So I hope you guys forgive me, but that's okay. It'll heal in a week or 2 and we'll be right back into our jumping jacks and burpees. So backed up to the top, guys. First exercise, kneel down, Frankenstein position in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Down, down, up, up. Now down on the opposite leg. Down, down, up, up. Down on the opposite leg. Boom, boom. Keep on switching those legs up. Down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, up. Keep it up. 10 seconds left. A little bit of mobility work today with this one, which serves me well. 3, 2, 1, and up. All right, we're getting back down to push-up position with our push-up arm extension. So get down on the ground. We still have 15 seconds left, so relax for a little bit. All right. Woo. 5 seconds, guys. 4, 3, 2, 1. Push-up position. Extend that arm out. Back. Push up. Back. Out. Back. Give me a push-up. Looking good. Back. Back. Less than 20 seconds left. Keep on doing. Keep on repeating. Come on, 10 seconds. Keep it up. 5, 4, one more extension. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. All right. Now we're going to lunges. Remember, lunge back, kick forward, lunge back, kick forward. Nice and easy. Hey guys, if you are new here, welcome to Fit After 50. My name is Paul. I've been taking you through these workouts for over 4 years now. We got 5 seconds left before we get going in, so we can continue this later. All right, lunge back, kick forward. Ready? Let's go. Lunge back, kick forward. Switch legs. Lunge back and kick forward. Ready? Back, forward, back, and forward. Keep it up, down, up and kick. Down and a kick. My knees hitting all the way to the ground, boom, and they just explode up as much as you can. About 15 seconds left. Kick up, down, kick it up, down, kick it up. Stay with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. All right. Last exercise of the second set, guys. Get down on the ground into our bear position. We're going to do the elbow, knee to elbow. Not elbow to knee. That'd be really awkward. All right, knee to elbow, guys. You guys ready? Let's get down on the ground. 5 seconds. Hands and knees. Ready? Then on your toes, and let's go. Knees up off the ground. Boom. Keep those knees there. Boom. Kick forward. Kick forward. Boom. Keep it up. Keep those knees off the ground the entire time. Kick up and back. Up, back. Keep it up. Up, back. Keep it here. 15 seconds left. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That was a little bit off on the count. All right, now we got a minute reprieve. Once again, grab your water if you need to grab your water. This is what I consider a good beginner workout. If the hardest part for you is the push-up, do the push-up on your knees. If you have to, if you can do a couple, then finish up on your knees, that's fine. Just make sure you're coming back with me, guys here every Monday and every Thursday. Don't forget, make the workouts to work for you. Don't push what would be your limit, especially if you're just starting out. Gotta be careful. Make it something sustainable and something fun. This way, you can keep on coming back, and that's how you build your fitness. Don't just go all gung-ho because it's the new year, because you know what's gonna end up happening. You're gonna end up getting hurt. You're gonna end up getting discouraged, and you're gonna end up quitting. And we don't want any quitters here. All right, last set, guys. Straight arm, kneel downs. Ready? Frankenstein position, and let's go. Boom, 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 and up. Switch legs. Down on the opposite leg, and then back up. Keep it here. and up, down, down, up, up, down, and down. Halfway done. This is the last, third, and final time through this thing. You got this. I got this. Keep it moving. Up and up, down. Less than 10 seconds. Let's do one more. 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. All right, push-up position, arm extensions to push-ups. This might be the hardest one of them all. That bear crawl at the end is also pretty hard. Like I say, if you have to do this way, on your knees, do your push-up like this, and then extend out, feel free to do it. 3, 2, 1, push-up position, extend out, push up, nice and control, out on the other side, push up, keep it right here, challenge that core, challenge that chest, 20 seconds left. Ten seconds, guys, we got this. Come on, work with me. 3, 2, 1, more extension, there we go. All right, we got 2 more exercises, we're almost done. 2 minutes left, 2 exercises, piece of cake. All right, step back, lunge, forward kick, opposite legs. You guys know what to do, done it twice already. Ready? 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, step back, kick up. Step back and kick it up. There you go. Step back, looking good. Keep going, almost done. And kick it up. Nice and easy and control on the way down, and boom, a little bit of power on the way up. And up. And keep it up. And up. 10 seconds left, guys. Stay right here, stay with me. 5 seconds, let's do one more. At least, we got 2 seconds, let's just do one more. Just to get a little extra work in, and kick, perfect. All right, guys, we're down to the last exercise. We have 15 seconds of rest, 40 seconds of work. We got this right now, guys. I love bodyweight work. I think it's a fun way to spend a little bit of time. Get some good mobility, which is very important for all of us if you're getting up there in age like I am. Anyway, let's go. Boom, boom. Keep it going. Keep it up. "20 seconds left. Stay right here. Work everything. All those muscles are tightening right now. Keep it up. 10 seconds, guys. Two, 1, and that's it. Guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul, and I take you through these workouts every Monday and every Thursday for about almost 4.5 years now. So thanks for being here for the last 4 years. Welcome if you're brand new, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.